Hello students, welcome to the programming reference point. Today we are going to start Boolean logic chapter. In this video, we are going to cover logical statements, logical variables, logical operators, evaluation of Boolean expression using truth table, verify Boolean expression. So before I start the video, I request you please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell to get the notification of upcoming videos. So let's start. What are logical statements? Sentences which can be determined to be true or false. Let's say today is Friday. Statement is true. Tomorrow is Sunday. Statement is false. So basically the sentences which can be determined to be true or false are called what? The logical statements. In our day-to-day life we come across this kind of sentences very frequently. Now let's talk about the logical variables. The variables which can store values true or false, those are called what? The logical variables. Let's say x is a variable which can hold value true. So over here the x is called what? The logical variable. Fine. It may also hold value false. So a variable which can hold any one value either true or false is called what? The logical variable. Now let's talk about logical operators. There are three logical operators: not, or, and. Not operator. This operator operates on single variable, and operations performed by the not operator is called complementation. To understand this, let's draw the truth table. As from the definition, we have seen that it operates on single variable. So let's say x is a logical variable, and if we apply the not operator, we will write it as x bar. Okay, so not operator is represented using the x bar. Now the x can have only two values because it is a logical variable, either true or false. Okay, true is denoted by 1 and false is denoted as 0. So let's say 0 and 1, that is false and true. So what if you apply the not operator, what shall be the value of the x naught? Here you will get the answer as 1, and for this you will get the answer as 0. Okay, so basically the not operator gives the complement of the logical variable. OR operator. The operator denotes logical addition. OR operator works with minimum two input variables. It may work with more than two inputs also. Okay. To understand the working of the OR operator, let's draw a truth table. Let's say x and y, these are the two input variables, and we have to find out what? X plus y. This is what the OR operation between x and y. We have two variables over here, so how many input combination will be there? For this we can find out very easily. We have the formula 2 to the power n represents the number of variable. So here we have two variables, so all possible input combination will be 4. Let's see. 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, now what OR operator says, you will get the result as 1 if there is any one input as 1 is available. Okay, if one input as 1 is available, then the output will also be 1. So let's say 0 0 0 plus 0, it will give you what? 0. 0 plus 1, you will get 1. 1 plus 0, you will get 1, and 1 plus 1, you will get 1. AND operator. This operator denotes the logical multiplication. To understand the working of the AND operator, let's draw the truth table. It also works with two inputs. Okay, so let's draw a truth table. X, Y are the two input variables and we have to find out the value of the X dot Y. Dot represent the AND operator. So as in the OR, we have already seen when there are two variables, there will be all possible four input combinations. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now what AND operator says that if the result we want as 1, then the all input should be 1. If there is only any 0 is there as an input, then output will also be 0. Okay, so let's see, 0 multiplied with 0 will get 0, 0 multiplied with 1 it is 0, 1 multiplied with 0 it is 0, 1 multiplied with 1 the result is 1. Now you can see here all inputs are 1. Wherever there is a combination with the 0, the output will also become what? 0. Now let's see evaluation of the Boolean expression using truth table. Before we move on to the evaluation of the Boolean expression, we should know what do you mean by the Boolean expression. Logical variables are combined by means of the logical operators and or not to form a Boolean expression. Let me write a Boolean expression over here. This is a Boolean expression. X, X bar, Y, all these are what? Logical variables, and how they are combined? They are combined by means of the logical operators. Over here the plus sign and the dot sign over here, all these are what? The logical operators. When the logical variables are combined together using logical operators, these are called what? The Boolean expression. Now this expression we have written. Now we will learn how to evaluate the Boolean expression. Okay, so for this, first we have to identify how many variables are there. We have over here two variables. One is X and another is Y. Okay, so we have to draw our truth table of two variables. Identifying the number of variables is very important so that we can understand how many inputs are possible. So let's draw it. X, Y. Okay. Now if you look into the expression, first you have to find out X is already there. Let me put the values. Okay, so X is already there. Now look into the next expression, next term, that is what? The X bar Y. Y is also there, but we don't have the X bar. So let me write the X bar. X bar is what? We have to apply the not operator. That means whatever the value of the X we are having, we have to just complement it. So for 0 we will write 1, for 0 it is 1, for 1 it will be 0, for 1 it will be 0. So this is the way how we have found find out that the what is the value of the X bar. Now what shall be the value of the X bar Y? Okay, that means these two columns, the values of these two columns, we have to apply what? AND operator. Okay, 0 1 it's 0, 1 1 it's 1, 0 0 it is 0, and 1 0 it is 0. We have used the AND operator over here. Okay, now next what we need to find out? X plus X bar Y. So X plus X bar Y. That means this column and this column we have to apply value to these two columns. We have to apply what? OR operator. 0 plus 0 it is 0, 0 1 it is 1, 1 0 it is 1, 1 0 it is 1. So this is what the value of this expression. Now we will see by using the Boolean logic how we can verify a given Boolean expression. Okay, so for this again we have to look into the given expression carefully. How many variables are there? There are two variables. Fine. So let's draw a truth table of two variables X, Y. This is very important so that we can identify how many possible input combinations are there. So next we have to see x is there. We have to find out what x y. Okay, so 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 1 1, it is 1. Next what we need to find, x plus xy. That means this and this column we have to apply the OR operator. 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1, it is 1. Now if you compare these two columns, if you compare these two columns, you can see the columns are identical. Hence it is verified that x plus xy is equals to x. So students, in this video we have covered logical statements, logical variables, logical operators, evaluation of the Boolean expression using truth table, and we have learned how to verify the Boolean expression. In the next video we are going to cover basic logic gates, basic postulates of Boolean logic, basic theorems of Boolean algebra. By that time, keep on watching the programming reference point. Stay connected. Thank you students for your patience.